The opinions and views expressed by guests on the Bold Stars podcast do not necessarily reflect the opinions and views of the show's hosts, the Bold Stars Productions, or the streaming platforms on which the podcast is aired. Similarly, the opinions and views expressed by the hosts do not necessarily reflect those of their respective companies, workplaces, represented organizations, the Bold Stars Productions, or the streaming platforms airing the podcast. Audience discretion is highly encouraged.
Masigabong palakpakan to begin with. Yes!
We're here! Andito na tayo. We finally got here. And I'm so happy.
Can you believe? Parang kailangan nila ma-feel yung can you believe at kung
I
gaano
know,
tayo
right?
kasaya. And for the first time ever, our guest in the Bold Stars devotees is ang matagal na nilang hinihiling na video pod!
Na makita ang ating mga pagmumukha.
Makita nyo ang talagang nagaganap. The raw and
Ito
the
na
raw
talaga.
unfiltered. Correct. Pati
Ito
mukha
na
unfiltered. Charing.
O wala namang sense of awkwardness, ganyan. Since,
Hindi.
wala.
Taray. Wala,
Okay.
makapal lang talaga mukha.
Makapal lang mukha.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alam mo, ikaw yung mas awkward. Alam mo, huwag mo na siya i-overthink. Kaya mo na
Okay,
sila.
fine.
Kasi nga, lagi namang may masasabi ang tao, di ba? But for the 100 episode,
Because today we are dissecting the anatomy of stars, and we're the stars. We are all the stars. Here in the Bold Stars
Yeah.
Podcast, Season 7.
See, mirrors still reflect even when it's cracked.
Trust the timing of your life.
Just don't lose yourself in the process.
When life gives you lemons, make limoncello.
The Bold Stars.
also mind you, si Eds kasi ang nag-edit ng ating
Alam na
podcast
nila yan.
episodes. But, ito nga ang kicker. Dahil gusto nyo video, di i-edit din yung video.
Oo nga, o 'di ba? Ang dami niyo pinapagawa sa akin.
Ang dami
Pagod
nyo
na ako.
utos. Di ba ka dapat relax lang? Ba't pala utos? Ba't pala utos ang mga
Anyway,
devotees?
we're happy to have you back. And yung 100 episode for this season, it's something special. Because, it's a milestone, I'd say.
Yes.
But anyway, mabati muna tayo. Wait lang. The universes, galaxies, and beyond. Come and join the constellation of stars on this side of the universe where conversations are bold like diamonds in the sky. We're on our 7th season and this is our 100th episode. This is Eds.
And since this is the 100th episode, kailangan ko pa bang ulit-ulitin? Sino ulit ako?
Don, na. Say my name.
Yes,
Say my name.
Of course, andito pa rin ang inyong Ninang Donna, Tita Donna, whatever. Reporting to you from the cosmos. Charing, from Manila. Litong-lito na. Alam mo,
Litong-lito.
ayoko na mag-spill.
Oo
Charing.
nga, hayaan mo na yan. But para sa mga kakasubscribe, kakapanood,
Yes.
kakapanood na talaga. Don't forget to hit that follow and subscribe button in our socials and communities to keep tabs on all the fresh updates when it happens, as it happens. You can check us out on X at The Bold Stars, Instagram at The Bold Stars, and on Facebook at The Bold Stars Podcast. We also have TikTok. It's at The Bold Stars.
And of course, you can catch the Bold Stars podcast on a bunch of podcast apps and radio platforms, including Spotify, Podcasters for Spotify, Amazon Music, Apple Podcast, iTunes, YouTube Music, and many more. And of course, YouTube video. Oh, hindi nyo kaya. And
Oh,
we're
diba?
everywhere.
See, mirrors still reflect even when it's cracked.
Trust the timing of your life.
Just don't lose yourself in the process.
When life gives you lemons, make limoncello.
The Bold Stars.
Alright, let's get the conversation rolling. Gusto ko lang ng freestyle chikahan, ganyan. Parang afternoon tea version, ganyan.
So, ano bang handa natin for today? Ano bang nasa menu?
Well, we're gonna dish out on ourselves because for the 100 episode, ano pa bang better ihanda kung di ang mga charing. Of course, our reflections and revelations for the past 100 episodes or 99 episodes. O, diba? But,
Alam-
and the 7 seasons.
Alam niyo naman, nakita niyo na guys, ganito, nag-overlap kami. At hindi namin talaga mapigilan na na sumingit at sumingit. But anyway, I'm sure we're gonna get used to this and we'll get the hang of it. So,
Yeah.
kapit lang. But anyway,
Kasi,
um,
ganito talaga pag live. Charing,
o di ba? Nakita niyo na siya, nakita niyo na ako, o di ba? O laban. Kasi alam niyo naman mahilig kami sa mga reflections ganyan, mga so ibibigay natin yan ngayon bilang tayo yung mga reflective starlings, di ba?
So, ihanda niyo yung tissue nyo. Charing, Ems.
Anyway,
So, for this 100 episode, we're bringing you 100 reflections. Charing. We're giving you the reflections and revelations for the first 100 episodes.
yeah, we're gonna give it to you 100%. 100 realness.
101 Dalmatian.
Kung saan namumupunta usapan na to. Anyway.
So, umpisahan na natin. Ikaw ba mauna? Ako na? Ikaw? Dahil tayo.
Bilang ikaw naman
Palitan.
laging mauuna.
Oo, bida-bida. Charing.
Bida-bida, di ba? Oh.
Hindi, okay.
Pero I
Alam mo
like your
ako.
glow. I just wanna say, like, I like your
Yeah,
glow
because
right now. You're
it's the lighting.
look like you're
Yeah,
fully
and-
rested, ganyan.
Right. Yeah, because kung napakinggan yung 99 episodes, you know that my values, kasama sa mga core values ko is self-care. So, yeah. So, looking back, wow, nag-switch siya agad.
Ang bilis na
nakita niyo-
character development, di ba?
So, sana nakita nyo yun. Sana that part would make it to the cut. But yeah, of course, when we were starting out, ang dami nating doubts, di ba? But first thing that I could definitely share is just start. Kung meron ako natutunan in podcasting or, putting yourself out there. Like ngayon, putting yourself on a video and it took us 100 episodes to do this. So,
Yeah.
just start. Yeah, that's where I would start. Just start. Diba?
Yeah,
Ikaw?
ang ganda din nung yung magic, yung beauty ng start. Alam mo yun, I think in the previous episodes we had meron tayong episode ng new beginnings, ganyan. So, you
True.
always have to have confidence in yourself that you can always have new beginnings and start at any point in your life. You know, it's not too late to start that
Yes.
new beginning, di ba?
So, how about you? Kung may share ka.
Hmm.
Like, first thing. Like,
Ang
10 out of,
dami.
1 out of 10, yes.
Okay. Ako for sure, ang pinaka talagang masabi ko na I'm very like thankful or grateful for, especially when doing the podcast, is nagkaroon ako ng pagkakataon to somehow look at the other side of my character as a person, yung ano pa yung mga pwede kong itap sa sarili ko. And then, yung mga panahon na parang you wanted to just give up. Yung, kasi madaling-daling magsimula eh. Okay? Madali din
okay.
minsan magsimula ng isang bagay,
Yeah.
especially when you're excited about it. And then, sa kalagitnaan, hindi mo na siya matatapos kasi parang you lose the passion, you lose the interest.
To keep the momentum.
Oo, sa lahat naman ng mga bagay eh. And not just
Yes.
doing content creation, di ba?
Yeah.
Sa lahat ng bagay, kahit sa job, kahit sa pakikipagkaibigan, ganyan. Sometimes we meet people, di ba? We meet new people. Tapos, at first, we're
Right.
excited about them. And then, biglang, parang,
Pa-plateau.
oo, magka-plateau yung ganun. So,
Yeah.
yun natutunan ko dito sa sa paggawa ng content sa podcasting na parang the Bold Stars podcast has taught me na number one, don't be scared to make a new start, and number two, once you've started, you keep going.
Keep going. Yes,
Yes.
ang ganda. Right. And another lesson that I learned, siguro pulot ko din like with the challenges that we went through, pushing through some episodes. Alam nyo kasi guys, may mga episodes na talagang ang hirap din niyang, number one, ang hirap i-filter. Number two,
Oo.
ang hirap,
Oo,
parang
as
may
in.
internal battle na
Exactly.
sasabihin ko ba to, is this for public consumption?
Oo,
So,
oo.
the wisdom to know, what to
Yes.
share and not to share. But that's what I learned is trust your intuition. Like, listen to your gut, listen to what your soul is telling you to do. Kasi it will definitely guide you. Your guide is in you, within you. Yeah.
Alam, you know what, I agree, and I strongly believe na yung sinabi mo na may mga times tayo na you wanted to say more
Yeah.
because you think that you need to say what's needed to be said. But at the same time, iisipin mo paano ito matatanggapin.
Right.
You get it? Paano ito
Yes.
tatanggapin ng makaka-receive, ganyan. So, for me, it's a learning process. It's a learning process. Ang ganda ng sinabi mo na talagang totoo siya na may mga times talaga na may gusto kaming
Diba?
isabihin,
Oo.
yung at the heat of the discussion, pero parang i-reserve mo siya. Tapos pag nag-cut na siya, pag nag-offline na, dun namin nabubuhos
Doon
na parang,
siya hihimayin.
you know what?
Charing!
Ganito,
Oo.
So, syempre, we'll get there. I mean, we can't really like give all the menu out at the same
Yeah.
time.
And
Because
again,
sometimes,
guys, this is like 20% of our lives. Like, what you
Oo.
hear or what you see online. It's not all of it. So, yun. Ganun talaga.
diba?
Yeah. Ikaw,
Kaya,
what else?
Naalala ko
Oh.
tuloy, sorry madagdag ko lang, naalala ko tuloy,
Okay.
I think that was an episode about, okay, I just put it out there. I think it was an episode about the Gonzaga sisters. I remember, na parang, parang pigil na pigil ka. And then, I mean, tayo pala. And then, pag offline na, ayun, dire-diretso ng, di ba? Parang,
naibuhos.
naibuhos.
Ang mga kuro-kuro, correct.
and it's just like, it's a meaningful experience to have that. Kasi nakaka-practice ka ng self-control,
Yes.
yung restraint,
Totoo.
alam mo yun, na
Right.
it's a huge-
Self-control, I think that's really important when you're a content creator. Kasi, parang isang paa mo nasa hukay. Kasi, di ba, in the world that we live in today, parang what's relevant now might not be accepted like in 2 years, 5 years time. Like, we constantly evolve. But I think, siguro kailangan din talaga we keep an open mind na to changes then and leave room for allowance for mistakes. But yeah. And ikaw, what else can you share?
So, it's like,
what else have you learned?
Ako ang question ko siguro na ibabato sa'yo is like, for the past 100 episodes, okay, so for the past 100 episodes, paano mo nakita yung sarili mo na nag-grow from day one?
Alam mo, ito talagang sobrang what's outstanding, yung talagang kung may i-highlight ako, it's overcoming self-doubt. Yun. Kasi parang noon na parang, do I really wanna do this? Do I have it in me? Yung ganyan. Although, alam mo yung parang, alam ko naman na, there's something to share.
Yes.
Pero, am I ready for this? Parang
Yes.
mga ganyan. Tapos parang, how will I handle people's opinion? Ganyan. Parang, if i-rate ko yung growth ko in overcoming self-doubt, parang ngayon, I grew thick skin. Like, thicker. Thicker skin na parang, you know what? Lahat naman may flaws eh. Parang,
Yes.
and the more I embrace my flaws, that's gonna become my strength. Parang
That is
yun
true.
ang magiging superpower ko. Ganyan.
That is true.
Yun siya. That's how I see it. Yun. Ikaw, how about you, sis? I'm sure you discovered a lot in
Okay.
yourself as well.
Nakaka-excite isipin na when we started it, it felt to me that it is just a season thing.
Okay. Like a phase.
Like, phase lang siguro to. And
Parang trip
then,
ko lang to ngayon.
suddenly, it became a lifestyle.
Ang ganda.
And a kind of lifestyle na hindi siya nagre-require na nagde-demand na, hey, look at me, pay attention to me. Yung hindi siya needy kind of entity. But it is like, paulit-ulit ko din sinabi, and up to this day, sinasabi ko na it is a home. Feeling ko, we have succeeded doon sa phase na hindi tayo nagpo-podcast because we just, like, we just have to do it. Now, hindi na tayo parang, kailangan makagawa na tayo ng episode na ganito or else. Walang ganong pressure. Everything is just chill, smooth, and just flows naturally and
It's
organically.
really a home. Ito yung parang kwarto sa bahay mo na parang, parang gusto ko ngayong gawin. Parang, gusto ko mag-chill. Ito siya.
Yes.
And
Yes.
it's your safe space. It's your comfort zone. Parang naging comfort zone mo siya, no? Somehow. Na parang,
Yeah.
pag andito ako, relax ako, I'm welcomed. And we hope, guys, sa Starlings, kayo mga nakikinig from day one, na somehow you found sanctuary in the Boldsters podcast. Kasi, I think, Eds, personally, kasi ikaw, meron kang standards and to share lang din, Starling. Si Eds kasi meron siya laging para siyang may KPI palagi. Parang,
Wow,
kailangan magawa to.
Totoo ba?
Kailangan ganito. Yes, oo. And it's not a bad thing. Pero kasi, parang achievement or results-oriented type of person ka. Kaya siguro, when you learn to express and just be yourself sa podcast, maybe it opened a different perspective for you, or 'di ba, basta may na-develop within
But
you.
The same thing I can say about you kasi 'di ba, talagang nag-feed kami dito. Ganun kasi
patronize each other.
Hindi totoo. No. I'm just saying, if you have your friends, if you have your true friends who know you in and out, skin and bones, the kindest thing that you could do is to empower each other.
Yeah, because
Is to
the
empower
world is
each other.
cruel.
Kaya nga
Sino
nung
pa ba?
'di ba? And we
pa ba?
normalize that. We normalize that. There's no shame in empowering your loved ones, your friends, the people that means a lot to you. And to me, you're like one of them. And what I'm saying is, I remember in mga first few episodes natin, you were talking about imposter syndrome, that you kind of feel like,
Yun talaga.
I'm sorry, but
Oo,
it's like already, it's been ages to like
Season
bring it
1.
Yeah,
Guys, review nyo. Oo.
to bring it up. But you know what? Right now, I would say somehow hindi ko na siya nakikita. It's not evident anymore. Maybe still there, I don't know. Like, it's not evident anymore. Every time nasasalang ka dito, you're like, ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Category is Donna.
Eto na siya. Sino ulit ako?
Oo, diba?
Parang ganon. Oo.
And I'm happy to
Kasi,
see that. And I'm happy to witness that. I'm lucky to witness that evolution. Diba?
Thank you. O,
Saya.
diba? The gift. Oh.
O ano, gusto niyo pa?
Tuloy pa.
Tuloy pa ba to?
Ayan.
Kaya pa ba today? Oh.
And alam nyo, dahil nga nandun tayo sa imposter syndrome, sa mga, alam nyo, minsan nakakapagod talaga. Another thing that I learned.
Parang nakamdaman ko yun. Sinabi mo na minsan nakakapagod talaga.
Nakakapagod talaga. Kasi
Yung
guys, hindi naman
buhay.
namin hindi naman namin to, ito lang yung ginagawa namin. We also have full-time jobs. We also have adult responsibilities. And for sure, millennials out there will relate na 30 ka pa lang, nakakapagod na pagod ka na. Yung
That is true.
iba yung laban, diba?
That is
But
true.
again, this is a home that we get to go home to come to, right?
Grabe.
And so, ang isa sa na-realize ko is, you know why not that we don't care so much, but it's more of, we find it very comforting to do a podcast or to record, is because, nawala. Nawala sa isip. No.
Because what?
Hindi. Kasi,
Why is it like a home to you? Why is it a
it's-
comfort to you?
It's not for somebody else's ano tawag mo
Yes.
dyan? It's not for somebody else's like it's not to
It's not
prove
for
myself to
other
other
people.
people. Yon. It's not for to prove myself to other people.
Yeah.
It's a gift to myself.
Yeah.
Yun talaga.
Yeah.
And nabuksan mo yung isip ko rito na parang, document natin to for us. Yung gano'n, parang, oo nga, ang galing. So, kung may napulot ako sa 100 episodes, no one is ever impressed with your achievements
True.
than you are. So,
That is
just
true.
do what you want to do kasi
That is true.
you don't need to impress other people. Your worth is there. Intrinsic siya yung worth. You can't outsource it.
I think it's more like, this is for me that I'm sharing
Yeah.
to you.
Yes.
You know?
Oo.
And whatever it is that I feed you, you
Hmm.
you feed on it with grace because this is coming from me. You cannot
Right.
give what you don't have.
Mm.
So every time na nasalang dito is like, yun yung mabibigay namin, ganyan.
Ito
So
na talaga yung essence.
Oo.
Yes, ito na yon. Yung, kumbaga sa juicing, ito na yung nakuha nyo sa juicer nyo.
eto na talaga, napiga nyo na hanggang sa kauli-uli
Napigaan nyo
ang-
na, correct. This is all the lemonade that I got from all the lemons.
Yes.
Because the
Diba?
lemons are lemoning.
Pero,
Ikaw.
wag nyo rin
Go.
masyadong pigain kasi papait.
Correct!
Kaya minsan may
Oo,
pumapait
galing mo
kasi
doon.
nasobrahan namin sa pagpiga, 'di ba? Kaya minsan
Correct.
dumadahan-dahan kami sa paghimay ng mga issue at mga current events. Dahil kapag talagang pinrest pa namin lalo, may pait na kayong matitikman.
And also, to add to that ha, ang galing
Oh.
doon. Alam nyo guys, kaya meron din ako natutunan kay Eds, it's more of, let's not push things just to publish episodes. Just to, alam mo yun, wala kaming episode na just to get by.
Yeah.
Parang,
Yeah.
yun. If it's not your best, just rest.
Hindi, kasi ikaw din naman kasi nag-remind sa akin na hey, we have to check on ourselves first. Okay, do we have that bandwidth?
Yeah.
Sa'yo galing yung term na yun eh. Do we have that that bandwidth, that capacity to, squeeze out juices?
Kasi 'di ba if it's something pushed, parang
Oo.
hindi siya magaan sa pakiramdam. And this is what I want to share as well sa mga gusto rin mag-content creation or something, ganyan. Alam nyo guys, sa podcast, lalo na this is our first time to do a video pod.
Mm-mm.
The magic of podcasting, like just hearing the voice of people, the listeners know if you're
Yeah.
lying, if it's real,
Mhm.
if you're hiding something, they can discern. And I also wanna comment, ang tatalino ng mga natin, ng mga
Starlings, no?
Like,
Oo.
I think masasabi ko na I trust the judgment of our starlings na parang if we put this out there, I know that it's gonna be received with love, with understanding, and with grace. And I thank you.
And just to add to that, energy doesn't lie.
Yes.
Energy doesn't lie.
Yan.
You know,
Yeah, paki-underline. Yeah.
just like a lamp, even if you put it in your closet and like in the middle of the night, like in total darkness, it's still going to shine through.
Yeah, ang ganda no, energy doesn't lie. Parang kailangan to isama sa bullet point sa sa show. Sa show details. Yeah, paki-underline
Diba?
energy doesn't lie. Totoo talaga 'yun. It
Totoo.
transcends videos, it transcends the editing. Partida edited na yung podcast. Kumbaga that's the end result. Pero yeah, people know. 'Yun talaga.
Yes. And like I don't want to sound preachy as a disclaimer, but I kind of feel like yung mga, hindi lang ito siya one way. I'd say like when we're podcasting, when we're doing our content, making our content, I mean, this is like bouncing off reflections. Like,
Yeah.
I know we're talking about reflections here, like the kind of reflection that you like dig deep into, but I'm now talking about like the literal reflection, like in the mirror kind of thing.
Yeah.
So whatever you put out there, it bounces back to you.
Right. Ganda.
'Di ba?
Yes.
Kaya nga ako ngayon at this point sa mga tao sa paligid ko, if they have anything to say about me, I've learned eto yung natutunan ko sa loob ng 100 episodes. Natutunan ko that whatever other people say or think about me, it's none of my business.
I'm so happy for you, Eds!
You know what I
Yes!
mean?
Totoo. Kasi again, we see things, we hear things based on the filter and our own biases. So, yeah. So, don't take it personally.
And it's like whatever people like throw to you or at you, it's gonna bounce back to them.
Ay, ang galing.
And yung bounce,
I
yung
have
bounce,
to be reminded of that. Ang ganda
diba?
din nun.
And then yung bounce back, tignan mo if you like throw a ball onto the wall, tapos yung impact ng pagbalik dito is mas malakas. So whatever energy you put out there is gonna bounce back to you, be it negative or positive. Yun lang naman natutunan ko. Just little,
Kakatawa, grabe guys. Kung alam nyo lang. And so, since sinabi mo na yung ano man yung magbabounce back, and yeah, the people, and the energy that you surround yourself with, yan. Isa pa yan sa isang lesson ko is, you become who you read, who you listen to, and who you surround yourself with. Be mindful. Yun talaga. Be
Pero
mindful
may
who you
question
read,
ako
who
sa'yo.
you listen. Yeah.
Who picks you up when no one is around?
Bukod kay Lord, dapat gano'n, di ba? Bukod kay God.
Yeah, I
Yun
mean,
ba yung
like,
tamang sagot?
Yeah,
Oo.
God is there, but
Bukod sa Holy Spirit.
we're talking about like editor naman si Donalisa talagang
Hindi, kasi ang point ko is, kasi we always say that, di ba? Na parang,
Yes,
of course,
yes.
God
Of course,
is always watching.
But what we're saying is
diba?
like
Yung
those
yung sa'yo.
yeah, like nandito yung tao,
Inner
yung
voice.
oo,
Correct.
or kahit anything, but
Yeah.
anything beyond supreme being and
Yes. I got
and
you. Yeah. Yung
universal
nasa
forces.
lupa.
Okay.
Nasa lupa.
Okay. Ay, nako,
Okay.
Donalisa.
You
Ganyan
know
siya
the real
minsan.
Wag mo tayo ikakat ha. Sama mo to. Kaya mo sila. Hindi, alam mo kung anong totoong sagot. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. Charing. Alam mo, totoo, hindi lang sa podcasting yung who picks me up, kapag ka talagang parang, ayaw ko na. Alam mo ko sino? 7-year-old Donna. Yun siya. Di nyo kaya. Pang matalino yung sagot. Charing. Hindi, totoo. Yun talaga, me. The 7-year-old Donna picks me up. Parang, pag naisip ko siya, paano naman siya? Yung ganyan. Kasi, sino ba? Parang hindi mo kasi, siguro natutunan ko na kung may gusto kang gawin sa buhay mo, hindi yun dapat nakadepende sa ibang tao. It should come from you and para kanino ba talaga? Diba? So, yun. Paano pag nawala sila? Paano ka? Diba? So, yun talaga, si 7-year-old Donna, yung mga pangarap ni Donna, nung bata siya, ganyan. Si 7-year-old Donna. Kaya pag I write to myself, parang, hi sis, ganun, parang be your own, I became my own friend. Diba? Yung imaginary friend niya yung bata. Pero, no, seriously, I hope that the 7-year-old Donna, I just want to make her proud. Yun siya. That's what picks me up. Bukod sa Holy Spirit. Pero yes. How about you? How about you? Who picks you
Ako
up?
siguro the person who picks me up then siguro tawag dito susundan ko na lang din yung line of thought mo. But for me, I think now I don't see it in a shady way, okay?
Ay, Holy Spirit activate.
Okay.
Go, me.
Siguro ako, the person who picks me up when no one is around would be Ed's 10 years from now.
Ay, I love it. Gusto ko yung may past, present, and future.
Because
Go.
I'd say like he's more gracious to himself, stronger, not just physically, mentally, emotionally, all aspect, I'd say. Not perfect, but he has learned to embrace and he's wiser to know the things that should be said, not be said, should be done, not be done. Yeah. He's more
Yeah.
evolved, I'd say.
Your future self is your North Star, and that's
Yeah.
beautiful. Yeah.
And-
And it cannot be taken away from you.
And because it cannot be taken away from us, for 100th episode, let's do dun 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 fast talk.
Yes! Let's do this! Ibang
Okay.
kamo na kami!
Labanan natin. Okay, so alternate tayo. Would that be okay? Pa-alternate tayo. Okay, sige.
Go me!
Let's begin. Morning person or night owl?
Morning! Morning person. Coffee or wine to survive a tough day?
Coffee. Love or money? Love or money? Forever one, never than the other. Pili. Ano?
Ay, ang tagal!
Ang tagal!
Okay, money and forever one.
Okay.
Yun. So, lie to protect feelings or brutal honesty?
Oh, you know me. Brutal honesty.
Yeah, I'll take that also.
Would
Yeah.
you rather be famous or wealthy? Ito na.
Wealthy, girl, wealthy. Madaling magpasikat pag mayaman ka. Oh.
Oh, go.
One night stand or long distance relationship? Sana
Pwede-
nag-iba na to.
Pwede both.
Sure, let's do this. I'll take that.
But more like, syempre, more like long distance relationship. But you take whatever it is there. Available.
Ay, kung ano po ibibigay ng universe. Kay Ed,
Forgive.
bigay nyo na.
Forgive but never forget, or forget and never forgive.
Forgive but never forget. Oh.
Keep going.
Public proposal or intimate moment?
Intimate moment.
Yeah.
Would you
Go.
delete your ex number or keep it just in case? Wala ka namang ex. Crush.
Delete?
Would you delete your crush's
Delete.
number or keep? Okay.
Delete, block ko pa. Oh.
Oh, wow.
Cancel culture, valid or toxic?
Valid.
Ay, valid. Okay. Oh, i-cancel nyo na to.
Art or science is one more important.
No, I think
No.
they're both important. Like, they support each other. They enable each other. You
Okay.
cannot live without the other. Yeah. Flirting, is it cheating or just harmless fun?
Disclaimer, it depends to me. Because if it's already an unhappy relationship and there's no way to get out of it, and I mean, what you gonna do?
Ay, ginastify. Oh.
Politics
so ano
or
nga?
flirting is most of the time.
Ano?
Most of the time
Oo.
it's cheating. But sometimes it's
okay.
harmless fun. Politics or
Okay.
religion? What's the trickier topic?
You
Oh my
know what?
gosh.
Religion.
Yes, I agree.
Religion. Yeah. Okay, would you marry for love or security? I
For
love this
security.
question. For security, yeah. I think nandun na tayo sa ganong
Nandun na
edad
tayo.
talaga.
Do you would you marry? Do you think marriage is outdated? Oh my
Yes.
gosh. Oh wow. What? Seriously?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Okay, go. Sorry.
Oo, sa ibang... Ngayon, guys, sorry. Kung meron kayong topic dito na gusto nyong himay-himayin natin,
Yeah.
comment down below!
Eto na,
Comment down
this
below!
is your chance to get your voices heard.
Yeah, comment down below. Now, social media, is it more harmful or helpful?
I'd say it's more harmful now. Life sentence or death penalty?
Life sentence. Yeah. Can money really buy happiness?
But of course, what else can?
Yeah.
Would you rather be underpaid but happy or overpaid and miserable? Dahil sa pera.
Mas makapera.
Naramdaman ko yung
Depende sa level ng miserable. If the price is right, okay, go. I'm paid to be miserable. Sige, go. Oh, asan na tayo?
Parang na-stress ka doon.
Kasi nga sabi ko, di ba, if the price is right, di go. Sige,
Yeah,
kasi
20
may
na tayo.
mapapala ka. Hindi ka naman lugi. Okay,
Ba't
basta
ka
hindi lugi.
nag-explain sa akin?
Leave your comment
Ako
down
lang
below.
to. 20.
Leave your comment down below. At this economy, I cannot be underpaid. So now, living forever Living forever or dying young and satisfied?
Oh, there's nothing beats living forever.
Oh, okay. Okay, go.
What's more dangerous, ignorance or indifference?
Ignorance.
Wow.
Free speech or regulated speech?
Sa atmosphere ng social media ngayon, regulated speech.
Regulate nyo na yan? Oo. Ano nyo na? I-filter na yan. Charing.
Lalo
Would
na,
you
lalo
rather...
na kung may rinig mo yung mga Mokausan, mga Harry Roque.
Ay, ayan
mga,
na. Oh.
No.
Comment down below. Sino yung mga dapat nang i-red tag? Charing.
Ano, sorry. Hulo nito.
Okay.
Bibig ko to.
Would you rather time travel to the past or the future?
Oh, nothing beats the future.
How long should... Ay, ikaw na pala yun. Sorry. Go.
How long should you wait before texting back?
Honestly, for me, I'd wait 3 days and then 3 days done. Kung sa dating, sa akin lang naman yun. Do you believe in fate or free will?
I believe in free will.
Free will.
Do you believe love can be found alone? Online. Can be found alone. Do you believe that love can be
Baka kaya
found
alone
online?
siya.
Sige,
Yes!
shady. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Would you rather live in your dream country but be broke or stay in your hometown and be rich?
Okay, listen. I would stay in my hometown and be rich, and then when I have enough money, then I can travel.
Yeah! Go!
Friends with benefits, possible or bound to fail?
Possible!
Really?
Possible.
I think it's bound to fail. Anyway.
Ay, grabe siya! Feeling ko possible. Okay, ghosting or slow fade, which is worse?
Oh my gosh.
What's the diff?
Oh my gosh. Oh my
For
gosh.
me, how?
Oh.
What's the diff?
I've felt na parang slow fade, ano ba
Slow
fast talk
fade
ba
is
to o may
worse.
explanation report? Slow fade,
Hindi tayo-
I felt
Okay, go.
slow fade.
Okay.
I've experienced slow fade, and it's like it's the
Go.
worst because it causes you parang mga anxiety and stuff. Ghosting is just
Dami
like an
pinaliwanag kasi nga may anxiety.
Anyway, hoy, bakit sino bang wala? Have you ever unfollowed a friend on social media just to keep the peace?
Ay!
And if
Just
so, name drop.
Ay, bakit? Wala pong ganon.
Ay,
Yeah,
sorry.
I have
Wala.
unfollowed and I have blocked for peace. For my peace of mind.
And for their
Yeah.
peace.
And for their peace of mind. So, do you think privacy exists in the digital age?
In my digital circle, it finally does.
Okay.
Diba? Would
Alright.
would you ever do a reality show? Isn't this a reality show?
Isn't this? Aren't we in a reality show? But no, I won't. I won't do it.
Okay.
Yeah, I won't. So, which is more valuable, time or money?
Time or money? Valuable time, of course.
Yes,
Time.
because money, 'di ba? Money you can
And time is
money. Time is gold. Yeah, because time is money. Hayaan nyo na nga.
Ayan yung go.
Hayaan nyo na nga. Is it better to be feared or loved? Ay, this is Machiavelli. I know this.
It depends. May explanation na naman. Ako,
Depende
fast
kung
talk
ano
ba to?
yung self-actualization nyo, guys.
Siguro kung sa romantic relationship, love, syempre. Pero for anything else, sometimes fear triggers, some people to look at you, and
Yeah.
not cross your line. Anyway, break up via text. Is it acceptable or heartless?
Heartless. That's so coward. Yeah. And yes, last but not the least, soulmates, myth or reality?
It is a myth.
For you. Oh, okay. Magkaiba tayo dyan. But yeah, it's okay. It's okay to be. We can agree to
I know you
disagree.
said like it's not it's the last, but I just want to like make
Oh,
do two
go.
more. Okay, would you
Go,
date
sis.
someone who has a different political views?
Yes. Easy. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Ikaw lang naman yung gigili. Tsari.
Hala,
Which is
man.
harder? Ay, ito maganda. Which is
Ito na,
harder?
dito-
Starting or
dito tayo.
ending a relationship?
Ah,
Tagal.
Start.
And
Start.
now we're starting over
At
again.
bago patapusin ni
Ibibigay
Donna,
natin.
ang kanyang pagkanta na wala namang humihingi sa kanya na kumanta siya.
Yeah.
Anyway, we want to hear more of your voice, Donna, but time is up. We value your opinions in our podcast topics and would love to feature your insights in our upcoming episodes. And you can leave a comment on our social media posts, participate in our polls and Q&A on Spotify, or send us a message at theboldstars@gmail.com. We're also available next at The Bold Stars, on Instagram at The Bold Stars, and on Facebook at The Bold Stars Podcast.
See, mirrors still reflect, even when it's cracked.
Trust the timing of your life.
Just don't lose yourself in the process.
When life gives you lemons, make limoncello.
Okay, hello. We're back again. And wow, it feels amazing to finally wrap up ang ating 100th
Yeah.
episode. It is gonna be for the books.
Yes.
It's just something that I'm really thankful for. Talagang yung milestone natin sa nakaraang mga 100 episodes. Eto na, it has come into
Yeah.
yung full circle talaga siya. Alam mo yun?
Yes.
100th episode. Yung feeling ko na parang this is our first episode again. Alam mo yun, parang first
ang ganda.
episode 1. Season 1, episode 1.
Yeah. Parang start from the beginning. Oh,
I know.
ang sabi.
At dahil dyan, hindi naman tayo makakarating sa 100th
Correct.
episode kung hindi dahil sa mga starlings natin and mga devotees na talagang tumututok at saka naghihintay ng ating mga episodes. Thank you very much for all your support. We do appreciate it a lot. And for once, gusto ko lang din talaga na mag-say thank you, okay, sa mga demographics natin and mga bansa na tumututok sa atin and countries all over the world na who's waiting and anticipating sa ating mga episodes every week or so, week-ish. Ganyan. So, we'd like to say thank you to all our starlings and devotees na nanggaling sa countries like just give me a sec. Okay. Of course, our starlings from the Philippines, from Cambodia, from the United States, from Japan, from Austria,
Ibang level.
Bangladesh, Italy, Australia, from starlings from Taiwan, from the United Kingdom, from Canada,
Wow.
Germany, ang dami niya guys.
Taiwan. Wow,
South
thank you,
Africa,
guys.
Portugal, Singapore, Russia, Hong Kong, France, Netherlands,
Singapore.
Thailand, Vietnam, Israel,
Hapon na.
Qatar, South Korea, Sweden, Norway, India, New Zealand, Switzerland, Malaysia, Malta, Reunion.
Hindi ko
Favorite na to.
kaya.
Reunion. Kaya tayo makakarating na talaga officially sa Reunion Islands. And Spain, Jamaica, Saudi Arabia, Belgium, and just recently, Brunei. Thank you very
Wow,
much
grabe
for all
yung
your
Brunei.
Okay.
Thank you, guys.
Big thank you.
Go ahead. Go me.
Big thank you to all our super devotees who are always waiting and anticipating for new episodes. Set the alarm or mark it on your calendars. We come alive on air every Monday and Friday.
And of course, because we want to be closer to you, Starlings, we are conquering the brave new world of live streaming. You can now join us on our live sessions for
Just like
the
this.
bigger, brighter, and bolder edition of What's the Fuzz Live. Ay, parang ang sarap
Live!
talaga gawin to ng may video. Yeah. And to stay updated about What's the Fuzz Live, simply click the follow or subscribe button on our social media accounts. You can find us on X at The Bold Stars, Instagram at The Bold Stars, and Facebook at The Bold Stars Podcast. And of course, type it on YouTube, The Bold Stars Podcast.
Yes, and to our friends and families, old and new, thank you for keeping us company. And as always, no goodbyes, just brand new hellos. Tune in again next time for a new episode.
And may all your stars align in your
Oh my
favor.
gosh, feels like it's
Celebrating life and we're making this is the 100th episode of the Bold
The Bold
Stars
Stars
Podcast.
Season
Season 7.
7. Woo!
Amazing! Good job!
See you next time, guys.
See, mirrors still reflect even when it's cracked.
Trust the timing of your life.
Just don't lose yourself in the process.
When life gives you lemons, make limoncello.
The Bold Stars.
Yeah.